Alright, YouTube. So, as I was trying to put the headers and everything back on, this head stud broke, and then this one snapped all the way inside. I started drilling it. Here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I started drilling inside it, and I broke so many bits already. I've been trying to use my extractors, but I cannot get the hole to drill. These are my normal bits. So I went to Harbor Freight, and I bought what they're called reverse drill bits. So instead of going righty tighty, it's gonna loosen it now. So here, I already took one out. I'm gonna start with the smaller one, but basically they go reverse, as you can see. So what I wanted to do, because when I was twisting it to the right with the bolt, the strip, oh my god, I can't speak today. So when I was drilling it, it twisted the stud even further in. And I tried to reverse it. Obviously it's not going to grip because, you know, reverse side is not going to work. But now that I have the reversing tips, I'm hoping I can catch it on there again, and that'll twist out with it. So I'm going to try this again. I've been doing this now for the past day and a half, trying to get this off, and I've been working. So yeah, so now I have it on reverse. I'm going to try to see if I can drill and grip it. Oop, trying to not knock my camera down. I can't see where it's looking. Okay. Alright, wish me luck. Man. Even that's not gripping. Okay. Try a different bit. Let's go on a lighter one. Needed to catch. Alright, spending about half hour. I already broke one fucking drill bit, but I've been using the smallest one to start the hole. Then I went up and up, but now I'll show you how far I got it. I got it all the way in. I heard it pull through, so as you can see, it goes all the way in there now. Now I just got to get my extractor bit in there. Here, I'll show you it. So I'm gonna use this one. This one actually fits. I'm gonna tap it in with the hammer. I'm going to try to twist it out. So, wish me luck. Alright, now let's see if I can get this to grip. Working. Ooh, we're slipping. That's why they give you these little teeth to grip on. I'm sweating like crazy. Yep, it's coming out, boys. Oh, keep slipping off my damn cheap Walmart. Yep, it's stuck. All right, so I'm gonna probably be using a plier right here. All right, let me wet it some more. All right, be right back, guys. I gotta go get some pliers. So I'm using some pliers. I'm gonna grab the edge of it. Yeah, it's twisting. I'm gonna go slow. I can see it. Ooh. We're getting it, boys. Ooh. Oh, almost dropped my strap bit set. And this is all from Harbor Freight, so that's not too bad. My other bits, they were old and dull, so they kept breaking, so I had to go and get this set right here. Is what saved me. This, get the left reverse bits. Do not use the other ones, they take forever, because this bolt, when I used the other one, it kept breaking my tips. So I bought some titanium tip ones, but I didn't have to use them, so I'll just keep those just in case. But here, I'll show you the bolt that snapped. All right, so let me see, my can't see the screen. So that was the bolt. As you can see, it just snapped clean right off, and I had to drill a hole in this, and doing it from the block was pretty hard, but as you can see, it seems to be working. Yes, I can see it coming out. Oh, this thing's a savior. Oh, we don't have to take the block off, or the head, thank God. I really didn't want to have to do that, but I mean, we're gonna have to anyways when I do the ARP head studs, but I'm gonna drive it like this stock for a little bit till I save some money, but we can at least do videos for that. Yes, that's the most satisfying thing ever. It's watching this bolt turn it off. Look at that, look. Oh yes. So yeah, guys, if you ever snap a bolt off like that, use the Harbor Freight extractor bolts. They work great, the drill bits. So you are gonna have to use one of these. You can try to use it with this and try to grip it. You might get lucky, but you might snap that bit off in the inside, and trust me, you don't want to do that. It's not gonna be fun. Just drill the hole. Start with the skinny one. I started with the skinniest and I ended up breaking the tip because I pushed too hard, and then I used the second one. I didn't push as hard, I just pushed a little bit. You need a little bit of force so you can dig into the metal, especially if it's a steel bolt like this. That took forever to drill through. So and spray some WD-40 on it so it doesn't burn up in there. You don't want too much heat because it'll make your bits warp and snap off when they cool down. So just start slowly, take your time, guys, and you'll get that bolt out as long as you take your time. But yeah, start with a small one. If you can, use I forget what they're called, but they have like a pointy tip at the end. Put it on it and then smack it with a hammer. What I did, I just took one of my small drill bits, put it on the center, like as you can see right here. It's not completely centered because as I was drilling, I'm holding it right here trying to push. It kept sliding a little bit, but I still got it pretty good to the center. And the main reason why you want to get in the center is because if you go too far up, you might hit the threads when you start drilling the holes, because you got to make the holes pretty big so you can fit this bit in, because if it's not all the way in, it's gonna just fucking snap off all the time. Alright guys, that's what it looks like once you take it out. It's the most satisfying thing ever. Been fighting this thing for like 2 days, but now I feel better. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'm gonna probably end up taking off all these studs, every single one of them, and I think I'm just gonna get regular bolts. So I'm gonna go like to Lowe's or something, match these threads up and get some bolts that'll actually fit in here, because I'm scared these are gonna snap off as well, and I do not want to have to go through that again. That was such a pain in the ass. It gave me like super depression. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to get it out. I thought I was gonna have to fucking take the entire head off, take it to a shop, have them drill it out. But if you take your time and have patience, you can do it. Don't give up. And this is with Harbor Freight tools and a Walmart drill and some Dollar General WD-40, and it worked great. Remember, you want to keep at least spraying some WD-40. I know I just got this engine all painted and now it's all greasy, but look, it actually does come off. The paint says it's oil and water resistant, I guess, so it's pretty cool. And especially when I was spraying with water, I noticed it beat it up. It started turning into like little beads, and it fucking just like rolled off, because I was trying to wipe off the metal shavings, because I don't want it to get in there while I was twisting this and it catch the threads. That's like the worst thing that can happen too. But I got it off. I'm so happy. All right guys, oh yeah, I wanted to give you an update too. So my throttle cable does not fit. I'm gonna buy a bracket on eBay. There's a adapter that you can use, so you can use your stock D series cable, but it won't fit on this bracket. This is the D series bracket, and that one worked, and this one over here doesn't work. That, or I was gonna just make my own bracket. I was gonna cut this piece and get a piece of metal right here, extend it out, so that way I can have this cord right here. I just need like a couple inches, like 2 inch, yeah, not even. I was gonna weld it right there, the bracket, and that way I can just adjust it right here, and that way I can use the stock cable. Just drop my drill. But yeah, Walmart drill, guys, that worked. You don't have to buy anything expensive. Remember, just take your time. You do not want to break that bolt. Oh god, look how dirty it is right here. Okay, but yeah, so anyways, I gotta get a fuel line because this one doesn't fit. It doesn't work on this one. It's a different type. So I'm gonna go get an Integra fuel line. I'm gonna get also the Civic Si radiator hoses, and I think that's all I need. Oh, and the axles, yeah. But that's gonna be like next check because I gotta pay mortgage and everything, so that's always fun. But I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Oh yeah, these are also my T-Series spark plug wires. These are not the right wires for this. I was actually going to start getting it ready to start it up, but I don't have a fuel line for that. I mean, I could spray some starting fluid, but I want to do it the right way, so plus it's more exciting. I can't wait to actually get this started, you guys. Like, you have no idea. But I'm gonna go get some now studs for these, that way I can put the exhaust and everything back up. I just started spraying them. I gotta put another 2 coats on it, but yeah, stay tuned, guys. Hope you enjoy the video, and hopefully we can get this thing started soon. I just gotta get a couple more things. Thanks for watching.